Yeah, so we are leaving from here now. So we just stopped here. This is a very scenic place facing the tea factory. Now going towards Kinnikore. Kinnikore is another I think about 7-8 kilometers max. So you'll have to actually go zigzag and climb up till Kinnikore. And throughout the place, when we go throughout this, it's going to be similar view. Tea estates and nice twisty and windy roads to enjoy and a good weather. This is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be throughout now. And look at Madhu coming all the way from there. And like I was talking, look at the leaves color here. They're fluorescent green and they're not the like dark green. So in between you can see there are certain tea plantation which is dark. So these are all freshly plucked and newly freshly grown tea leaves which are that fluorescent greenish, and then the old ones look the dark greenish color and not the fluorescent ones. And you feel like you're in a total different place altogether and not in India when you're here, seriously telling you, because the roads are so good, so clean, well maintained. The weather is very, very nice. It's peak summer, and guess today is the highest but the weather temperature was 17 degrees and lowest was 11. सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी.
2,000 years later.
So here we are at Kinnikore Viewpoint. My GoPro is completely out of memory. I could not record too much of a road bit. But then this is where you walk up and you go to the Kinnikore Viewpoint. So now let's go towards the viewpoint. You have to take everything from here. Your helmet, gloves, all of it. Helmet pa tumbale dani. Po. Ata tanjattu. Yaar anchi bo pujare. Mittu pujare. Barte. Amata. Namu kidadne. Ata mittu poditte. Ancha. Poi. So we have to walk up there. Here you trek a little bit to go to the Kinnikore Viewpoint. With these shoes, not too sure how far I can go, but then I'll try to go wherever I can, and then I'll stop there if others wish to go ahead. So there are a few people walking up there. I don't think so. I want to go there. Here's NKK. Check him out and look at the kind of trees that you have here. Very nice, unique vegetation. Wow! Look at the viewpoint. Nice. viewpoint. So this is the exact point. You can trek a little more up there. Not in a mood. We need to get back as well. It's already 4:30, and then the thunderstorms are already in. Look at the complete variation of ranges there, and clouds have already started fighting with each other. You can hear the thunder, and I see this big rock. Okay. Yes. This is the Emerald Dam. So we've ridden from which is that place? Kinnakore to Emerald Dam for the last 1 hour 10 minutes, and we've come here. It's a very nice dam, but we are on the other side, right? Okay. So from here to our stay could be another easy an hour. Right, so I'll give you a 360-degree view of this place. Look at the dam here, and then there's this forest bit here, and all you can see here is greenery. And then see, there's some tea estates there, and even the houses are green. Check that out. Matter of fact, houses are green, and everything around here is green, and the moon is already out. So this is around 5:30 in the evening, and that's the Emerald Dam, and I am riding the Suzuki V-Storm 250 SX. Absolutely a gem of a motorcycle. Been having a great time here. This is Emerald Bridge. Sorry. So this is Emerald Dam. From the other side, you can see the water now. So that time when we showed the Emerald Dam was from the back side of it. So this is the main one. See the dam there, and this is the water bit. So you come to this plateau here to actually have a look, and you get to see the Emerald Dam. So these are our boys here. Check it out. This is a clean view of Emerald Dam. So actually, I think you can go down there. You can see some people walking there. So not too sure if you can go there. There's no water at all for now. They've all come down. It's not been raining. Then I'm sure during rainy season the water level would be much higher. So we are done with the Emerald Dam, and time to leave, and we are getting back to the hotel now, or the homestay. That's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until the next video, it's bye from Ooty. Bye-bye. Check this out. We've come to another viewpoint called Avalanche Viewpoint, which is on the way to Ooty. I had closed the video, but then I just found this too interesting, so I didn't want to miss adding this into the video. Check this out. Amazing place. And this is called the Avalanche Viewpoint, and giving you a nice 360-degree view of this place. This absolutely spectacular view.
2,000 years later.
I said I was not going to record, but then check this out. We are exiting Ooty, and this time we are not taking the so now we are not taking the Masinagudi route, and this is another route. This is 20 kilometer more than the one which we came other day. This place is absolutely magical. So just thought we'll take a video and show you guys around this place. So just thought I'll take a video and show you guys around. Crazy, the weather is absolutely stunning. Full fog, and look at those motorcycles of ours standing. Literally zero visibility. Got the elephant here at Bandipur. We're not supposed to stop here. My GoPro is out of battery and also memory. Just taking a footage with my mobile.